Good morning, class 6. Myself Ranjit Kumar. I welcome you all in the e-learning program of Modern English School, Kuntinagar, Nevada. This is the fifth video lecture of the chapter Motion and Measurement of Distance. In last video we were seeing types of motion. We have seen rectilinear or linear motion. We have seen circulatory means circular motion. We have seen oscillatory motion or vibratory motion or vibration. We have seen that. In today's video we are going to discuss about periodic motion and non-periodic motion. What is periodic motion? A motion that repeat, it means a motion of a body is said to be periodic when it repeat at a regular time interval. Then such motion is called periodic motion. Means वैसा motion, वैसा movement of the body जो एक fixed interval पे repeat हो रहा है, तो उसको कहेंगे हम लोग periodic motion. Example से आप समझिएगा. For example, it takes 365 and 1/4 day for the earth to complete one revolution around the sun. So movement of the earth around the sun repeats after every 365 and 1/4 day. इतना दिन में ये एक मूवमेंट रिपीट होता है एवरी 365 days and 1/4 of a day. Second, movement of moon around the earth repeats after every 30 days. हर 30 दिन के बाद मून एक चक्कर लगा लेता है अर्थ का. This is the example of periodic motion. The motion of the hands of the clock is also periodic. For example, second means second hand मीन्स सेकेंड की सुई, सेकेंड का काटा हमेशा एक राउंड मारता है आफ्टर एवरी 60 सेकेंड्स. हर 60 मिनट में एक रिवॉल्यूशन, एक मतलब सेकेंड के काटे का मूवमेंट हर 60 सेकेंड्स में, मतलब हर 1 मिनट में रिपीट होता है. उसी प्रकार मिनट का जो काटा है वो हर 1 घंटे पे रिपीट होता है, और आवर आवर का जो काटा है वो हर 12 आवर्स में रिपीट होता है. सो दीज टाइप ऑफ मोशन इज कॉल्ड पीरियोडिक मोशन. नेक्स्ट इज नॉन पीरियोडिक मोशन. ए मोशन इज सेड टू बी नॉन पीरियोडिक व्हेन इट डू नॉट रिपीट एट अ फिक्स्ड टाइम इंटरवल, इज कॉल्ड नॉन पीरियोडिक मोशन. For example, heartbeat, हम लोग का दिल का धड़कना, that is not periodic. When we are running, when we are walking, and when we are sleeping, in 3 conditions, the rate of heartbeat is different. So we can say the heartbeat is not example of non-periodic motion. Next, when we are walking, the movement of our hand can be repetitive, ये repeat हो रहा है, but it is not necessarily periodic. ठीक है? So what is periodic motion? The motion where an object repeats its motion after a fixed time interval is called periodic motion. Example: the motion of Earth around Sun. Repeat after every 365 1/4 days. One example. Second example: the movement of Moon around Earth. Repeat after every 30 days, approximately 30 days. Okay, and the movement of hands of clock is periodic. Okay, so this is the periodic motion. Next is non-periodic motion. The motion that is not repeated at regular interval of time is called non-periodic motion. Example: breathing of, actually not breathing, it is beating of heart is non-periodic because it is different when we are running, walking, or sleeping. One example. Second example: swinging of your arm while walking is repetitive, means repeat हो रहा है, repetitive, but not necessarily, कोई जरूरी नहीं है, necessarily periodic. See, swinging of arms during march past can be periodic, but swinging of arm when we are walking, it is not periodic, because sometimes we swing our arms faster and sometimes we swing our arms slower. So, but during march past, that can be the example of periodic motion. So don't worry about that. Okay. Next thing that we have to understand, two type of motion at same time. एक ही समय में दो मोशन, जैसे means two motions at a time. Check the example. Example से समझ में आएगा. Two motions at a time. जब हम लोग साइकिल चलाते हैं द मूवमेंट ऑफ बाइसिकल इज लीनियर, साइकिल सीधा जा रहा है, बट द व्हील्स आर इन सर्कुलर मोशन। अगर मान लेते हैं ये एक स्लोप है और यहां से हम इस बॉल को रोल कर दिए, तो ये बॉल तो अपने एक्सिस के चारों तरफ घूम रहा है, मींस ये रोटेट भी कर रहा है इस डायरेक्शन में, और साथ ही साथ ये इस डायरेक्शन में ट्रैवल भी कर रहा है। तो दो तरह का मोशन है, रेक्टिलिनियर मोशन एंड सर्कुलर मोशन। When we are drawing water from the well, मतलब कुआं से जब आप पानी निकाल रहे हैं, the wheels pulley of the well, it goes circular motion, but the bucket comes upward, so the movement of bucket is linear, but the movement of the wheels or the pulley is circular. स्क्रू ड्राइवर, जब आप स्क्रू ड्राइवर करते हैं मतलब नट को कसते हैं, तो क्या होता है, नट जो है इस प्रकार से घूमता है और आगे की ओर मूव करता है। दैट इज आल्सो एन एग्जांपल ऑफ सर्कुलर मोशन एज वेल एज लीनियर मोशन। मूवमेंट ऑफ अर्थ अराउंड द सन, द अर्थ rotate around its axis, at the same time it also revolve around the sun, मतलब वो अपने एक्सिस पे भी घूम रहा है, साथ ही साथ वो सन के चारों तरफ भी घूम रहा है। तो टू टाइप ऑफ मोशन, so I have given you 4 or 5 example. One, when we are going in vehicle or motorcycle, the wheels of vehicle is in circular motion, but the vehicle is in linear motion. When you roll a ball, the ball is in circular motion as well as in linear motion. When you pull water from the well, the pulley is in circular motion, but the bucket is in linear motion. When earth is revolving around the sun, so at the same time sun is earth is going through two type of motion, that is circular motion and revolution, means it is rotation also and revolution also. Two type of motion is there. When we have, I have told you, when you screwdriver, so the screw is rotating in this direction, but at the same time screw is moving in linear direction. When we are doing sewing machine, सिलाई का मशीन, सिलाई के मशीन में उसका व्हील जो होता है वो सर्कुलर मोशन है, बट निडल जो है वो इस प्रकार से मूव कर रहा है। So it can be oscillatory motion or it can be a linear motion. So we can say movement of needle or in the sewing machine is periodic, but the wheels of a sewing machine is in circular motion. So many example is there. With this example we can say we can see two type of motion at same time. I write that, which you will write it down. Okay. Okay. More than one type of motion. Examples. कौन कौन है? An automobile moving on a straight road. इसमें कैसे दो तरह का मोशन है? Here vehicle moves in linear motion, straight line, but wheels rotate in circular motion. तो दो तरह का मोशन एक साथ है। Motion of sewing machine, सिलाई मशीन. The needle of the sewing machine oscillate, means oscillation, to and fro motion, while the wheels rotate in circular motion. Two motions. Motion of earth keeps rotating on its axis as well as revolve around the sun, means in case of earth two circular motion is there simultaneously, एक ही साथ दो तरह का circular motion है, एक rotation around its axis and second revolution around a fixed center, here it is the sun. ड्रॉइंग वाटर फ्रॉम द वेल, कुआं से पानी निकालना। द पुली समझते ही है, क्लास 5 की बात है। पुली रोटेट्स इन सर्कुलर मोशन, जब रस्सी खींचते हैं तो पुली घूमता है, रोटेट्स इन सर्कुलर मोशन, बट बकेट हैज अ लीनियर मोशन, सीधा. सो दिस इज द more than one type of motion in chapter, what is the name of motion and measurement of distance. This is the name of the chapter. Hope you enjoyed learning it. If you still anyone have any problem, I am there, I am always there, and you all know my contact number. Once again I will write it: 7322090198. I am available on this number 24/7. Whenever you want, whatever you want, you can call and ask. Don't remain confused. If you have any doubt, you are free to ask anything anytime. Okay?